Hello and welcome to the eighth module of our course on AI for financial forecasting. The eighth module relates to the implementation, risks, and governance in AI for financial forecasting. Let us begin with a reality check. Many organizations successfully build AI models. They invest in data, they hire experts, they achieve high accuracy in testing environments. And yet, when these models are deployed in the real world, they fail. Not because the models were wrong, but because the implementation was flawed. Here's the truth: building an AI model is only 30% of the journey. Deploying, managing, and governing it is the remaining 70%. And this is where most organizations struggle. What does implementation really mean? Implementation is not just about putting a model into production. It is about integrating AI into systems, processes, and decision making workflows. There are three layers of implementation. The first is technical layer, which relates to the model deployment, the data pipelines, and the infrastructure. The second layer is operational layer, which relates to the integration with finance systems and the workflow alignment. The third layer is the business layer, which relates to the adoption by decision makers and embedding into the processes. AI creates value only when it influences decisions. The deployment approaches. There are various types of deployment approaches. The first is batch deployment. It relates to the predictions which are generated periodically. For example, monthly cash flow forecasts. The second type of deployment is real-time deployment, which consists of continuous predictions. For example, fraud detection and liquidity monitoring. Choosing the right approach depends upon the use case, the data availability, and decision speed requirements. The third approach is integration with financial system. AI must connect with the ERP systems, the treasury platforms, and the BI dashboards. But the key challenge is the disconnected systems reduce effectiveness. Change management, the human side. Technology is only part of the question. People are bigger challenge. Common resistance from the side of humans is fear of job displacement, lack of understanding, and even trust issues. Overcoming this resistance can be done through number one, education, which explains what AI does, what it does not do. The second is involvement. It includes the user in design, testing, and feedback. The third is transparency. Build trust through explainability and clear communication. AI adoption is as much a cultural transformation as a technological one. Risks in AI based forecasting. The first is model risk, that is, incorrect predictions leading to poor decisions. The second is the data risk, that is, poor data quality, incomplete data, or even biased data. The third type of risk is the operational risk, that is, the system's failures or the integration issues. The fourth is regulatory risk, that is, non-compliance or maybe lack of transparency. The fifth type of risk is the reputational risk, that is, loss of stakeholders' trust. AI amplifies both the opportunities and the risk. Model drift and performance decay. Over time, models lose accuracy. But why? This is because of changing market conditions, behavioral shifts, and new data patterns. Let us understand what are the different types of drift. The first one is the data drift, that is, input data changes. The second is the concept drift, which relates to or which states that relationships between variables change. So, what is the solution? It is continuous monitoring and regular retraining. The AI models are not set and forget. They require ongoing management. So, how the AI model governance framework is ensured? The governance ensures reliability, accountability, and compliance. There are few key components to the governance for AI. The first model is the governance model, which relates to documentation, validation, and approval processes. The second is data governance, which relates to data quality standards, ownership, and access control. The third type of key component is the process governance, which defined workflows and decision protocols. What are the roles and responsibilities? That is, for the data teams, the finance teams, the risk teams, and the audit teams. Governance aligns AI with business objectives and regulatory expectations. What is auditability and traceability? The financial decisions must be auditable. What are the audit requirements? How was the model built? What data was used? How are decisions made? An answer to these questions define the audit requirements. What is traceability? It is, in simple terms, the ability to track the inputs into the model and outcomes are the outputs. Why it matters is because of regulatory compliance, internal controls, and risk management. What are the regulatory expectations then? In financial regulators expect transparency, fairness, and accountability. The key areas are model validation, explainability, risk controls. AI must operate within a controlled and compliant environment. Now we come to the end of this module. Let us rewind what are the key takeaways of this discussion. The module 8 let us know what is implementation, and implementation is more than deployment. Human adoption is very critical. AI introduces multiple risks. Continuous monitoring is essential, and governance ensures trust and compliance. With this, we come to an end of our 8th module. Thank you very much, and we will shortly resume with our 9th module. Thank you.